Hi there, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thanks so much for coming to the Sound Juggling video. So with the letters, we're just not going to worry about them, kind of block those out. And the more senses you use while you are learning, the more you're going to be able to process the sounds easily. So here's your vision center. I want you to use your eyes. I want you to hear all of the sounds, which means you need to pay attention to the screen. I want you to touch all of the sounds as we go along and to say the sounds also. So let's go ahead and start. This one is I, n, t, int, hint. In hint, what if I take off the t? Now you have I, n, hin. Here is a, n, t, rant, rant. In rant, what if I take off the n? Now you have a, t, rat. Here is b, a, m, bump, bump. In bump, what if I take off the b? Now you have a, m, ump. Here is just, just, gist. In gist, what if I take off the s? Now you have it, jit. Here is e, rink, rink. In rink, what if I take off the k? Now you have e, ring. Here is old, mold, mold. In mold, what if I take off the d? You are left with mole. Here is rest. In rest, what if I take off the t? Now you have rest. Here is went, went. In went, what if I take off the w? You are left with ent. Here is fend, fend, fend. In fend, what if I take off the n? You are left with fed. Here is dunk, dunk. In dunk, what if I take off the ng? You are left with duck. Here is west. In west, what if I take off the t? You are left with west. Here is hump. In hump, what if I take off the You are left with hup. Here is limp, limp. In limp, what if I take off the p? You are left with limb. Here is dust, dust. In dust, what if I take off the t? You are left with dust. Here is ilt, kilt. In kilt, what if I take off the ul? Now you have k, it, kit. Here is s-a-ng, sunk, sunk. In sunk, what if I take off the ng? You are left with s-a-k, suck. Here is p-i-n-t, pint, pint. In pint, what if I take off the p? You are left with i-n-t, pint. Here is ya-a-nk, ya-ank, yank. In yank, what if I take off the k? You are left with ya-a-ng, yang. Here is s-e-n-t, scent, scent. In scent, what if I take off the n? You are left with s-e-t, set. Here is d-e-s-k, desk, desk. In desk, what if I take off the d? You are left with esk, esk. Here is g-a-st, gust, gust. In gust, what if I take off this? You are left with g-a-t, gut. Here is rind, rind, rind. In rind, what if I take off the n? You are left with ride, ride. Here is dance, dance. In dance, what if I take off this? You are left with dan. This is mint, mint, mint. In mint, what if I take off the n? You are left with mit. This one is balk, balk, bulk. In bulk, what if I take off the ul? You are left with balk, balk. Here is musk, musk. In musk, what if I take off the k? You are left with musk. Thank you so much for coming to the Sound Juggling program. I hope all of you have a great day. This is Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic. Bye.